background. Indonesia has such problems recycling their waste. The amount of landfill waste in Indonesia in 2022 will reach 19.5 million tons, and plastic waste is expected to reach 9.5 million tons. Plastic waste that can't be decomposed and contain chemicals are very dangerous if allowed to contaminate the environment such as soil and water. Noting that Indonesia is in second place in the world, producing 187 million tons plastic waste into the ocean. On the other hand, if plastic waste is managed properly, it will be good for society, environmental, and economic health. To recycle plastic into new items made from plastic itself requires several processes including plastic chopping, as an initial step will later be converted into plastic pellets. To chop plastic waste requires a motor with electrical energy. If this is done with this power source, the economic impact and cost of processing this plastic waste is quite large. In this study, to meet the energy needs of plastic waste processing using a solar panel system, I tried to combine the solar panels and electric company of Indonesian government (PLN) that will be used as an energy source for the plastic chopper. In 2021, I was successful to enumerate masks and register creations on Indonesian intellectual property rights (HKI). The mission itself was formed because the world were facing the COVID-19 pandemic and the increasing volume of masks into medical waste. My tool would be designed with several considerations such as conducting energy analysis based on hybrid photovoltaic cells, hourly performance strength, and to optimize tool durability. I developed this tool with the hope of being able to become a solution and validated supply measurements. The purpose of this study was to, first, design the prototype and working mechanism of a photovoltaic cell-based automatic waste processing device. Second, to analyze the performance of the automatic plastic waste treatment tool. Third, to analyze the energy of the photovoltaic cell hybrid-based automatic plastic waste treatment tool. Methods. This study used a mixed method by collecting people identification data, the need for plastic waste processing equipment, the design of plastic waste processing machines, solar panel and plastic chopping machine instrument, solar panel manufacturing and processing machine plastic waste, and testing tools. In the testing section, the tool will be test the performance of the plastic chopper and the efficiency of solar panels as the main energy source. Solar panel instrument. First of all, solar panels collect the sunlight, then convert the sunlight into electrical energy using a photovoltaic process. Then goes to the charge controller to control the electric current from the solar panel. From the charge controller to the inverter to convert alternating voltage DC to direct voltage AC. After changing into AC to the battery to store energy from solar panels. Plastic chopping machine instrument. First of all, the plastic waste processing machine receives an energy source from two sources, namely solar panels and PLN electricity. After the weight reaches its capacity, half of kilogram, the machine processing the plastic automatically lights up using the Arduino weight sensor and then chop the plastic using a knife that is driven by a motor in the chamber. Finally, the trash headed landfill and ready for sale. Result and conclusion. As a result, people agree with my plastic chopping machine because it adds economic value and becomes additional income. I designed this machine prototype using Blender software to do a 3D design. In the tool section, according to Indonesian National Standard (SNI), 80% of this tool is a proper product and pass the requirements. This tool can fully use the solar panel power that I made, so it requires additional energy from the PLN electricity. This research is beneficial to society because it increases the selling price of plastic waste. Plastic that is usually waste will be able to become additional income for people. By using a hybrid solar panels, this research is also beneficial for the environment because it doesn't use diesel and saves the remaining fossil energy so it doesn't pollute the environment and reduce the operational cost of the plastic waste processing equipment.